अभी यहाँ पे रोकना पड़ेगा। एक सेकंड रुक जाएगा।
Sushmita ji hold it, huh? Sushmita ji hold on. Here, look here. Ma'am, look here. Ma'am, look here. Ma'am. Sushmita ji, wait. Sushmita ji, look here. Ma'am, here. Catch. Sushmita ji.
How's the film looking? Oh, it was wonderful to see it finally because I hadn't seen the film up until now. So today's the first day I saw it. It's taking a lot to digest it, but I must say that it was wonderful to see history come back.
So has it lived up to your expectations?
That's tough. I'm an actor. I'm greedy. I can never live up to any expectation. That's how I survive as an actor. I always want more.
So Sholay or Ramu ki Aag?
Sholay is Sholay. And Ramu ki Aag, I love because I'm in it. Thank you.
कैमरा अंदर नहीं कैमरा बंद करो थैंक यू
Oh wow, you're in the basement. Well done. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
आराम से
You want to do it without the camera?
Sushmita, how's the film looking?
Well, actually, to be perfectly honest with you, this is the first time I saw the film. I'd only seen it in the dubbed stages, so for me it was a huge relief to finally see it. I am actually quite speechless because I hadn't seen any of it. Let me digest it. I'll be back with a far more in-depth analysis of the film.
But do you think, Sushmita, this is fair enough to have a remake or a copy of a film like Sholay?
I think it's absolutely fair and legitimate for every film to be remade because that's what classics is supposed to do. They're supposed to bring back an era, a time, and they're supposed to be remade so that children, people, generations that never saw a 1975 film relive the experience. Why not? And everybody's free to make what they want. That's creation.
So now that you've seen the film, is it live up to your expectations?
Well, that's a very biased question you ask me because if you ask me, I'll say of course. But the truth is that as an actor, it's my job to be dissatisfied, to want more every time. So it won't be right for me to say I have it all. I'll look forward to more.
Just a quick rapid fire dance on the road.
Rapid fire in the basement? No!
Please, Sushmita, I really want that, please.
Shukriya. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Did we find pen? Yeah. We found it. Yeah, bye. Ah, we reached. Good.
That's it. Oh, yeah. Shush, one look here. Hi, Shush. Yeah, look here. Yeah. Yeah, Sushmita. Woo! Ma'am, yeah, look here. Ma'am. क्या हुआ?
Which way do we have to be going now?
Take the arrow on your left,
And then out?
straight out. I'll be in front of your car.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
Ma'am, here, Sushmita ji. Could you say hi? This is Sushmita. ID break. I can't do my. I'm so.
Hi, this is Sushmita Sen and you're watching Z Music.
Hi, this is Sushmita Sen. Don't go anywhere. B News will be right back. Please.
Hi, this is Sushmita Sen. Don't go anywhere. B News will be right back.
Thank you.
That kiss was great.